Crypto. Look, valuation grade 90%. It's undervalued. Fundamental grade 64%. Investor grade 67%. It's got good scores. OPSEC looks really interesting to me. I mean, really, really interesting as like a solid crypto project. Let's look at this together. Let you guys decide. $194 million market cap. Self-reported circulating supply is 100 million. Maximum supply is 100 million. All the coins should already be out and about. Out and about, okay? All-time high for this was 8 days ago at 256, so we are at the tops of it, but this is a new coin that has no exposure. Uniswap version 2 and version 3. CoinX, that's where I decided to take it up at. BingX, PonyX, OpenOcean, and X Markets. So it says all-time low was 2 months ago at 3 cents. So this thing is clearly already done 100x already. So just be aware of that. Definitely one to put on the radar for any kind of pullbacks, right? In my personal opinion, let's go and check out decentralized supercomputer applications. OPSEC ecosystem is a privacy-focused network dedicated to making operations on the cloud very seamless and efficient. OPSEC decentralized cloud solutions range from high-level nodes, light-speed router devices, GPUs, and hosting services. Projects integrated into the OPSEC ecosystem: Optimism, Celestia, Zora, BitTensor, Linea, Starknet, Shardium, a lot of them. OPSEC pioneering the next generation. OPSEC Cloudverse, OPSEC Router, OPSEC Network. The OPSEC's decentralized architecture is built upon advanced cloud network technology, and it forms the foundation of a secure and resilient computing environment. OPSEC nodes, the backbone of this infrastructure, allow users to deploy projects autonomously and collaboratively, fostering a diverse and inclusive ecosystem. OPSEC's decentralized computing architecture is meticulously crafted to redefine the landscape of distributed systems. Whether you're hosting decentralized apps, deploying blockchain nodes, or remotely assessing your servers, OPSEC makes sure that your journey is characterized by security, independence, and innovative forward thinking. So I like it. I like it a lot. You don't have to, but they got a little roadmap here. Token launch on DEX. Starting to form a strong community base, building a community around our project for support and feedback. Private testing of Cloudverse, running tests on Cloudverse to iron out any issues before the public gets access, maybe an airdrop even. I don't know. Focusing on privacy features, enhancing our privacy protection. Phase 2, I assume is right here, Cloudverse launch. So that should be upcoming. That will be a big one, and I think you will definitely have a name for this one by the time that happens, right? GPU optimization for diverse applications, and GPUs are also going to AI now, not just blockchain. So very interesting there too. And not just rendering for graphics and things, right? Integrating more networks, forming partnerships, and tier 1 exchange listings. Getting our token listing on leading exchanges to increase its availability and visibility. That's what's coming up. Phase 2, they kind of already knocked phase 1 out. Phase 2's on the way. OPSEC, I think it's kind of cool. Let's look at the chart, see what it looks like. So she came up, is this an M pattern? It could be, or we're making higher high or lower lows. We did not make a lower low. If you want to call it a bottom, a double bottom, there's 2 bottoms on this line, you can. 3 touches through there. I kind of like it. I pulled a fib. To me, we're out of the best buy zone was between $1.24 and $1.60. This is the 1 hour. So for the past little bit, she's just been on a tear going up. Got a little pullback to the 21 and the 100, retesting this area at 183. She's been above 214 and she's down to 195 right now. We got this trend line, which held 3 touches to the downside there. I like that. That just defines a whole lot for me. Nice. I think we got the angle. I'm big on angles. Nice little area that I think we just flipped or found support. I got a little something here, a little, and it's pretty nice. That's pretty close. Tops to top there. It's off just a little bit. Tighten up my trend line. I'm going from this top wick to this candle body. Kind of giving this right here where we are. Is that angle respected? Here, there, could be a little tighter. Looks fairly well respected right here and all through here, in my personal opinion. So I'm looking for a breakout over here with some volume, and that's what I really got to see. Chance that it could happen, but there's probably a chance it'll get rejected, come back and to about the 21 moving average, 9 moving average. They're crossing over here. Maybe back to these area 180 before actually getting this breakout. Just kind of what I'm seeing a possibility in 4 hours. It looks like you're coming down. Now on this time frame, I'd be looking at this 100 and this 200 moving average there. You can take a little measured move for the channel that we just broke out of, put it there at the breakout, and that also takes us down to this area. So I like that. That would be a measured move on the shorter time frames, trying to get in on this little guy. If anyone is interested. 177, 178, maybe even down as 170. Anywhere through that area looks just nice and yummy. Now, I'd like to pull a fib. Swing high and swing low. Tell me where price is going to go. And it's right here at this 50% area. Also, 618's down here. We don't want to forget about that. Now, Dow theory says that when you get an impulse move like that, price retraces back to the 50% area. Thus, we have it on our Fibonacci scale, even though it's not technically a Fibonacci. It's there because it works. But we lose that area. That 618's coming into play. And depending on where we bounce on this, we can project to where the price target on the move up. Because for every level, we've also got an existing target level. We will get that level when we take a Fibonacci from the swing high to the new swing low. And that will give us the key. The targets when we pull that fib. Or you can use a cheat code like I got up here, but we're not talking about that right now. OPSEC, I kind of like it, man. And as far as what he could do, though, I mean, it's early on this one. So, I mean, if we could chart it. I mean, you know, we could, but it doesn't show where it's, you know, its full potential or anything. We can guesstimate, sure, we can speculate. That's what we do here. We speculate a lot. But if you want my little hopium guesstimum of where it can reach, because if the crypto gods smile on this project and give it its blessing, it's go ahead to proceed to be listed on other exchanges. And given the type of project that it is, I have no problem suggesting that these price levels may in fact be definitely hit. This one looks like a winning project in my personal opinion. $6.64, $7.47. Are you ready? Are you ready to breathe it in deep? Oh God, he's drinking the Kool-Aid. $8.80, people. OPSEC. Could these targets happen? I think so, or I wouldn't throw them up there, but it doesn't mean they're going to. Do your research, as always on anything. This is just one that I and Tokenmetrics both think is very undervalued and could potentially offer some life-changing potential for anyone who wants to take a risk on it. Because jumping in now, reaching our targets over here, almost let you double it. Reaching 391, 117%. But let's say if we reach this target up here, that's 210% gains from now. $6.64, that's 268%. 315% at 747, and 389% at 880. And I know there's somebody out there saying, "Oh, that's cute, Road Dog, but I'm looking for a 25x. Show me a 25x." And I gotta say, don't get too greedy. What if this thing turns into like a $50 coin? Just throwing it on your radar.
If you just stumble across the channel, it's probably because somebody hit that like button before. And for those of you who hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.